Hello guys, Praveen here. Today I will show you the one effective practice, like if you are a teacher especially, so how you can give the effective stretch for the back bending for your clients. Maybe your clients is like a shorter for you, you cannot handle that. So you come on the block, lane. So your client can come on the block, especially if your client is a beginner. Hands up. And very carefully, you have to take your client on your hip and on the back. Or even your client, if they are enough strong, so they can hold your shoulder. And then slowly, you have to be observed and you have to feel your client flexibility and your client strength. Your client can do more, you just ask them. Ask them. Yes, if they can, so they can be legs up. And then bend the legs. For the few rounds, you can just a little bounce it so that their spine will be warmer. Yes, just for a few times. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It will give very push to their spine. And after, if your client can do more, you can hold their leg. And you can a little bit pull more. It will effect more on your bottom and their lower back. Let them hold it. 1 and breathe normal. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If your clients you feel they can do more, just ask them. So you can keep their legs straight more and you can down more. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is just like almost in the human level. Yes. Slowly they let them hold. Okay, jump. Squeeze over, bend forward. And let them relax for a while. So you can see it's a very effective practice, like especially if you are a teacher and you want to give sport to your student. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much.